Here's my little review on the vogelzang 150 wood stove. I don't know, I really haven't seen anything on YouTube about this stove at all. It really works too good for this house. It's way too hot in here. Got 78 degrees, 25 degrees outside. I got a way to choke it back a little bit. I just use a 1/2-inch drive socket with some aluminum foil crammed in the end, and as I change the draft a little bit, I'm going to redo this in the springtime. I'm going to put a slide here. They tell you not to put any kind of dampening on it or any kind of choke or anything like that, but it just runs wild. It's too hot. I get really hot flue temperatures. Single wall up to the wall, and then it's double wall stainless. Goes out the wall to a 90-degree stainless, and then it's triple wall from there up out of the roof. Really burns hot. Has fire brick lined. Smoke's not bad. Sealed door. Has a blower in the back, which I don't even use. It's just too hot in here as it is. I have that up a little high. I had a lower one on there, but it fell off. It was a magnetized one. It fell off and somehow got broke. So I just go by that one now. But I try and keep it choked back. Of course, I got wood drying around it. This is with wet wood too. So that's my review of that. Fairly inexpensive. I paid $450 for it on sale at Orscheln's. The flue pipe was very expensive, $103 for a 3-foot section at Lowe's, and was a little expensive, but after the little chimney fire, I didn't want to be concerned about anything like that again. So, very good stove for the money, I think. Keeps me toasty warm and keeps her where she just sleeps all day. Thanks.